Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. I hope you all like whatever I have showed the clips today. So let's get started friends. So these are all the clips which I could collect and pin it up together. And today's Thanksgiving. My family is just enjoying and having a good time today. So enjoy all this friends. So this is all I did on a Thanksgiving. So enjoy. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. All this is so good. Having a day to thank the Lord for all His goodness, for all that He has done for us today and the whole year actually. So we should be thankful for God to give us good health in this pandemic times also. So we should always be thankful. So here I've taken 1 cup of semolina. It is even known as suji in India. When you go to Indian stores, I bought this from Spices and Beyond, and I got it from Spices and Beyond. Swati is the owner for that store. It is a very nice store. You all should go and visit it. This is homemade ghee which I had made. So I'm just taking like half a spoon. I'm trying to put it in this and I'll try to dry roast it. So I just dry roast it till that flavor becomes very nice. It will start smelling so nice because this semolina has a very good flavor. It just smells, the house smells so good. So here I've taken some cashew nuts, like 5 or 6. I've just mixed it together because we like to eat sometimes. So I'm just taking 4 or 5 almonds too. This is too much. I don't want to put all. So I've just taken 5 cashews and 5 almonds. So now I'll just crush it and chop it roughly with a. I'm just crushing it. Sorry for that sound. I should have kept a cloth down. We don't need a powder form. We just need it once or twice crushed. This is more than enough. So this is almost roasted well, and the aroma is so good because of the ghee which I had put. And I have already showed you how I make ghee in my place. So I'll put a description below. So now I'm going to add some, because it was 1 cup of sugar, we need to add at least 3 or 4 spoons of sugar, and these are big spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is more than enough. Cashew nuts and almonds over here. I'm adding some food orange color because my family loves the orange color. It's a food color. Of course, it's not little healthy, but once in a while I don't make all this every day. We just need a pinch of it. I'm just eyeballing over here, and this much is more than enough. I'm just trying to roast it up again and mix all the ingredients well so that everything gets cooked evenly and nicely. So now slowly we are going to add some milk, slowly. We don't need much. We'll just keep slowly mixing everything because we don't need lumps also in this. See, the color is changing into orange because we have put the orange color. Now we'll be stirring it slowly and will not allow it to get burnt down at the bottom, otherwise the taste becomes very bad. So this gives very good. See friends, how nice liquid it is becoming. But once when we keep stirring it for 5 minutes, it will absorb off all the milk, and it gives a very good flavor of ghee, cashew nuts, semolina, and in India it is called suji ka halwa, and this is how it's done. And I'll just stir it for continuously for 4 or 5 minutes and it'll be done. See, it's cooked so well now. This is how its consistency looks, and when you shake it just becomes tighter and it's become cooked well, and this is how it looks. And you can still top it with more garnishing if you want more of cashews and almonds. It is done for now. So now the porridge, it's a sweet dish. So this becomes so like this, and it's so evenly, and it is so good. It comes out so good. And today is Thanksgiving, so my family said, let's make this suji ka halwa, it is called. Enjoy, friends, with cashews. Yum, yum, yum. So here I'm trying to make a Thanksgiving lunch over here. I wanted to do it from scratch, but then it was too much of work, and I said, oh, we can buy it. And I bought this from King Soopers. It's Tyson Anytizer's hot style, buffalo style wings. So I'll chop this and put it on my, so I'll put it on my stoneware actually. So here is all. They are not much. They are very little wings. So I bought over here crinkle cut fries. Again, it is from the Kroger brand. It is from King Soopers. I'll put this on the baking sheet. Just baking this off in the oven. So I'll just keep it evenly set it up. So I'm placing them in the oven properly now. I first put the potato crinkled fries, and now I'm putting the buffalo wings, and they were not much, they are only 9, so it will be little less. So here it's been cooked so well. I can see the good crust on it. Enjoy, friends. So here the fries come out so well. I'll just serve you all in a dish now. So friends, I got a nice Thanksgiving gift from India, and it has this nice ornaments also. It's so beautiful. Just see, friends. I'll show you its top now. So this is the top which we wear on the top of that red skirt. It's actually the lehenga we call. So this is the Indian costume, and it looks like this. From back also it has very good ornaments. Can you see? It's so nice. I'll be wearing and showing you too. So it has two things actually. You can wear even the lehenga, and you can even wear a pant kind of thing, and it is known as salwar. And this is the veil which goes on the top of it. You can wear with the skirt also, lehenga and salwar, and it has very good design at the edge. I hope you can see I'm coming close to the camera just to show you that it has a good piping and a good stitch. See, friends. So it's so beautiful. Now I'll be wearing and showing you in a parade, fashion parade. So here's my final look, and this is how I look. Tell me, friends, how do I look on this Thanksgiving Day? I hope you all liked my dress and my dupatta. I think I worn it the reverse way. But in dupattas, you just cannot say that what is upside down. Everything suits, and you can just do this. You can wear the scarf in many ways. You can wear it like this. You can put it on your right shoulder. You can just even it out and do 50-50 like this. You can just do like this, wear it like this, and the dupatta is so light that you can put it on your head also if you have to go to India and meet your in-laws and all. So you can just dress up as it is you are. I just wore my skirt, and this is how it looks. And the most good part was the hanging ornaments for this dress and over here. I hope you all like this. And now I'll wear my salwar, friends. So this was the look, how I look with the skirt and the top. I'll be wearing my salwar now. Just give me a moment. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. I hope you all enjoy this day. Have good time with your family and friends. I hope you all must have had a turkey. I don't eat turkey, so I didn't make at home. So turkey is really a good traditional. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. Love you all. Mwah. This is with the salwar I wore, the pant. So I had two options for this dress. I hope you all like the front also, because see, the work is so tremendous and it's really nice. Everything is from India. So all these are my personal jewelry, and I mix and match all my jewelry. So friends, people most of the time ask me, do I wear this dress and go outside in the malls? No, I don't wear this kind of dresses to the mall, because it becomes too catchy. Everybody looks at me that I'm wearing something different. But if it is a simple dress and all, I do wear and go. But this I just wear when I have a party or I'm going to Indian parties in US. So I don't wear all this for the outside. Nah, but I really love, because I have two options. I can wear this pant also, the skirt also, and I can mix and match with orange or anything. And I really love it. I'm so happy, and I just feel happy just by dressing up myself and looking good for myself today. And happy Thanksgiving! If you have liked this part of my Thanksgiving, what I said today and what I did, I hope you all like it and share it. And if you have any comments, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.